Hello everyone, this is Mr. Stanish, just giving you another video on how to submit another assignment. On this assignment, will be an assignment where the kids may watch a video, they may have a reading passage sent to them, something like that, and then they'll have to respond with some writing. We practice this today in our in-person kids. Also, I think the kids at home practice it as well, because I was able to teach it. It's pretty easy, about the same to do, just a little bit different than the video. And so I probably won't be doing quite as many of these just because their keyboarding skills and the amount of time it takes them to type and how much they want to spell everything correctly when they type. These will probably be a little more limited at the start here, but as we move forward, there'll be more and more of them. So, but I do wanted you to see how these are submitted and turned in to me, just so you can help your child if they have any questions and things are getting frustrated. So this is the one we did today, which is Tuesday's lesson. This was responding to a video and writing. So I'm going to click on this real quick. And just like the previous one, on this one, you will have all the same information up top. It will tell you if this counts to a grade or whether it does not. And then this will also say over here, it'll give you the due date, how many points, how you're submitting it. So on the first one, the video that I just sent, that one said a media video submittal. This one is a text entry box. It gives you the available dates. You can see the whole lesson right here. This one was a pretty simple prompt, just write about who you would share the cookies with. So again, to actually start working on the assignment, you can watch the video from here, but you can also watch it from inside of it. Go ahead and you're always going to click on the submit assignment. It won't say resubmit unless I ask them to do it again. But I've done this one a couple times just practicing myself, and so it's saying resubmit, but yours will just say submit. So they hit submit assignment. Here you'll have the video. Here you'll have the instructions. I will put something more clear up here that says instructions. I was just trying to limit the amount of stuff that they were reading, so we'll try and get them to the point where they're looking for a box that says instructions, and I know that'll help you out at home as well. And so all you do is you're going to come down here, and this is basically called our Studio Editor. This has a ton of functions. I'm not even going to go over those right now. But the main one for them on a text entry, it says text entry up here. The other one said media entry, and then you had the upload video where you just clicked a button and it went to the camera. On this one, all you do is come down inside, get your, I don't know what this sign is called, but this cursor. You click on it and it'll give you the blinking cursor. Then all you have to do here, just type in what it is. Who would you share the cookies with? A lot of the kids already responded and I sent them comments, but basically they just type in, I would share my cookies with my mom and dad, and maybe my sister Holly. And that's kid spelling, kind of. So they would just type that in. When they're done typing whatever it is, again, they just come down here to the blue submit assignment box, hit submit assignment, and boom, up here you'll see the assignment successfully submitted, and then you'll see the submission details, and then it's submitted over here. And that's all you have to do. You're done. So I hope this helps. We've done 2 types of assignments. They're going to also be learning how to work with an editable sheet. Some of the kids did that today. I had to see how it worked, and I will produce that video probably tomorrow in our planning time, just so that it's ready for when we do start working on that. It's a little more complex, but it does allow me to send a worksheet electronically to your child to work on. So that's it for this one, and if you have any questions, send me an email, please. Thank you.